Okay, this is our checkout day. We're in Ocean View, Deluxe, newer, 3-bed, and as you can see, some of the view. It's a glorious day today on checkout. This is the view, hope you can see it. Ocean View 28. Big large lounge with big TV, mirror and door, kitchen with gas hob and oven with some equipment in there. Plates, cutlery, got double freezer, big freezer. A few cleaning bits. Okay, this is our bathroom. Toilet, sink, a lovely shower. It's very powerful. You get another very small toilet in here. And then this is one of the bedrooms. We're on checkout day, so beds have been stripped. And a little mirror. Lots of plug sockets. This is the main bedroom. Heating booster over there in the corner. We never used it. Little dressing table. And then the second bedroom. Or children's bedroom, second one. Little mirror. So it's carpeted in the bedrooms and then lino in the lounge area and dining. And there is our Ocean View 28 with the lovely view.